Ever wonder why the cryptocurrency market is so volatile? Could it be due to the different exchanges people use to trade their digital assets? In this vast universe of cryptocurrencies, exchanges are the bustling marketplaces where digital assets change hands. They are the beating heart of the crypto world, crucial to the ebb and flow of digital currencies. Today we're going to explore these fascinating platforms, their roles, and how they impact the crypto universe. So buckle up as we delve into the world of these digital marketplaces. To start, what exactly is a cryptocurrency exchange? Well, in essence, it's a platform that allows individuals to buy, sell, and trade various cryptocurrencies. Think of it as a digital marketplace where you can exchange your bitcoins or ether for other digital assets, or even traditional fiat currencies. Now, these exchanges play a crucial role in the crypto market, as they provide the infrastructure needed for trading and liquidity. They are the bridges that connect buyers and sellers in this ever-evolving digital landscape. There are two main types of exchanges: centralized and decentralized. Centralized exchanges are run by companies that oversee transactions, much like a traditional bank. On the other hand, decentralized exchanges, or DEX, operate without a central authority. Here, trades occur directly between users through an automated process. Now that we've got the basics down, let's get into the nitty-gritty of some popular exchanges. First up, we have Binance and Coinbase. Binance, one of the biggest players in the crypto exchange game, is renowned for its extensive range of cryptocurrencies and advanced trading features. Yet, its complex user interface may be a tad overwhelming for beginners. On the flip side, Coinbase, another big name in the industry, prides itself on its user-friendly interface, perfect for those just dipping their toes in the crypto pool. However, this ease of use comes with a price, as Coinbase typically charges higher fees than Binance. Now, when it comes to security, both platforms have their strengths. Binance offers advanced security measures, while Coinbase is insured, providing an extra layer of protection for your investments. So, which one should you choose? Well, that depends on your needs and level of experience. If you're a seasoned trader, Binance might be your go-to. But if you're a newbie, Coinbase could be a safer bet. But wait, there's more. Let's move on to the next two. Scene script. Next on our list, we have Kraken and eToro. Let's dive into Kraken first. This exchange is known for its advanced features and diverse selection of cryptocurrencies. It's a great option for seasoned traders who want to delve into futures and margin trading. However, these advanced features may be overwhelming to beginners. On the bright side, Kraken has a clean user interface and offers lower fees compared to many other exchanges. Security-wise, Kraken has a strong track record with its comprehensive range of security measures. Switching gears, let's talk about eToro. This platform is renowned for its social trading feature, which allows users to follow and copy the trades of expert investors. This makes eToro an excellent choice for beginners or those who prefer a more hands-off approach to investing. However, its cryptocurrency selection is not as diverse as Kraken's. Additionally, while eToro's user interface is user-friendly, it charges higher fees. On the security front, eToro takes robust measures to protect user funds, including industry-standard encryption and stringent verification processes. In conclusion, both Kraken and eToro have their unique advantages. Kraken appeals to advanced traders with its extensive crypto offerings and advanced trading features, while eToro caters to beginners or passive investors with its social trading aspect. And there you have it, 4 popular exchanges, each with their own strengths and weaknesses. Cryptocurrency exchanges are the backbone of the crypto world, each offering a unique set of features and opportunities. In this video, we have journeyed through the landscape of such exchanges, understanding their workings and comparing some popular choices. Remember, there is no one-size-fits-all exchange. Whether it's the simplicity of use, the range of available cryptocurrencies, or the robustness of security measures, each exchange brings something different to the table. Your choice should align with your individual needs, preferences, and risk tolerance. When you're trading in the dynamic world of cryptocurrencies, having the right platform can make all the difference. So take the time to do your research, weigh the pros and cons, and make an informed decision. The world of crypto is vast and exciting, and the right exchange is your gateway to it. If you found this information useful, give this video a like, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more cryptocurrency insights. Until next time, happy trading!